Vanakkam, this is Karun Raman and welcome to Anita's launch at Kilpok. We had Anita Nabika Agarwal do the event today. It was their showroom and we had so many showstoppers today. And I would like for you guys to come and check out the store and see that they have lovely bridal collection. And stay tuned for more. Thank you.
Hi everyone, we're launching Anita's today, relaunching actually. It's been 9 years to the store and every brand needs a makeover and that's exactly pretty much what we've done. We've renovated our place with the help of Siddharth Ninan, who is an amazing architect who's done this beautiful store for us. And today's launch is about seeing a new place, a new collection. We're doing 3 rounds. The show is directed by Mr. Karun Raman and the first round is basically a coral and peach round. It's for an everyday thing where you can wear, light garments that you can wear to other people's function. The second round is a cocktail round, and it pretty much focuses on cocktail saris and stuff which you wear to other people's sangeet. So the bride's family can wear it. The third round is out and out a bridal round, and it focuses on the bridal collections and stuff that we've sourced and also designed through with our designers, and which has been done for today's launch especially. So coming to the USP of the store, the USP of the store is that we deal with class and not mass. Pretty much our entire focus is on a niche market where for a woman who knows what she wants. And what else? Okay, yeah, so basically we are like personal shoppers who shop from all over the country and curate stuff especially for you. Apart from that, we design and have our own intern teams who design clothes for the store. And the idea is, why do you want to go outside and shop when you can shop at Anita's and you can get everything under one roof? So please come, and the idea is to call a lot of our people who know fashion, who do not know fashion, to come to our store and experience what we have to offer to them. That's it. Our store has a starting price of 2,000 rupees and it goes up to 1 lakh and above, and we range everything from salwar suits to dress materials to tunics to dhoti pants to lehenga saris to cocktail saris, gowns. Pretty much anything you say in Indian wear, we've got it under our store.